My name is Nina Banashak. I'm the Vice President of Quality and Corporate Social Responsibility at Phoenix. I'm delighted to give you this inside look at our quality department. The partnership we have with our customers is what helps make us successful. Our mission is to maintain our company's position in the industry as a best-in-class manufacturer by building trust and reducing risk with our customers, delivering innovation and flexibility, and driving compliance and consistency in our products and procedures. You might ask, why does this matter? Phoenix's culture and quality management system enable us to meet and exceed our customers' expectations when it comes to product quality, food safety, and regulatory compliance. We are equipped and ready to quickly assess and correct any issues that may arise. We take pride in our manufacturing facility certifications. Every Phoenix manufacturing facility maintains a HACCP-based food safety plan, along with several foundational prerequisite programs designed to control identified hazards. All Phoenix facilities are rated as excellent in compliance with the Safe Quality Food Safety Code for the manufacture of food packaging. And Phoenix is a certified manufacturer of single-service closures for milk and milk products in accordance with the Interstate Milk Shippers List and the FDA Grade A Pasteurized Milk Ordinance. In addition to these certifications, we have many programs and procedures in place to help maintain your trust in Phoenix. For example, we have well-established protocols for initial qualification and in-process inspections, which means that any new products, new tooling, and changes to formulation or processing are subject to a multi-phase qualification procedure led by engineering. We collect a series of critical dimensional data and conduct a variety of visual inspections and functional tests to ensure that our products meet both our internal AQLs and our customers' specifications. Both our manufacturing and quality staff alike are trained to use standardized tools and test methods to evaluate the parts and respond to deviations. We also have statistical process control active on our molding machines. Critical process parameters are monitored in real time, and visual alarms are triggered if the process exceeds its established limits, notifying our mold technicians of the changes needed. No manufacturing process is perfect, but we understand the disruption that can occur by the defects that make it through the system. We work continuously to identify and prevent critical defects from occurring. When our customers do report a nonconformance to us, we conduct a thorough investigation to determine root cause and apply corrective action. We track complaints and defects over time to watch for developing trends and initiate long-term quality improvements. Another benefit of partnering with Phoenix is that we've prioritized account coordination services to provide you with the attention and care you deserve as a valued customer. What sets us apart from other suppliers is that our customers don't have to navigate through a general operator, website form, or call center. Instead, you'll be assigned a direct point of contact with someone at Phoenix who is ready to help meet your needs. Your Phoenix Customer Account Coordinator is your dedicated resource if you need to report a nonconformance, request compliance documents or order updates, or if you simply have a question and need some assistance. Our technical services team is another way we support our products and customers. This team works directly with you and oftentimes with your other suppliers too, to provide expert advice that's geared toward optimizing your overall packaging process. Whether you need setup recommendations, guidance on specifications and capability, trial support, or failure analysis, Tech Services is available to help ensure our caps run smoothly on your lines. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about Phoenix's commitment to product quality. We look forward to partnering with you in the future.